It is possible to put together a cell phone, just like DIY, do it yourself. We have the case, so we will go on a distance and go through all the trouble. We have the speakers, we have some screws. This is the Htc dual camera 3D cell phone, which is capable of taking picture with the assistance of a dual camera, so the image will be recreated in more detail in a stunning 3D. So it has a lot of little wires that actually it is impossible to DIY a cell phone, but it just happened that the part is made available, so we will simply assemble them, reassemble them, and some parts come with a cost that is a little high. The main board is not a new one. The accidental bargain that is said to be a custom, a part that is found in a government custom departments, that probably they have been for certain reasons being stuck in the border of some sort of transportation issues. So they released these parts, and so this is how we get it, and we will see how it goes. We will build them part by part. This is the first time ever I have tried to assemble a cell phone together. Much easier than I have thought, but there's the little part that does not fit. The main board boot without a front camera, and everything else working normally. So the cell phone has been DIY, do-it-yourself styles. Some parts are brand new, other parts are a used part, spare parts, and there's the case. Quite a lot of fun. This phone has dual camera, 2 cameras, and then the image will be processed and presented in 3D. The 3Ds, and so this phone is basically operational, and HTC should do better than the rest, but for some reason, okay. So the 3D effect may not be immediately with in the way camera captured is does not appear the same as naked eyes watching through this special 3D screens. So naked eyes, it seems somehow better. Now you can see butterflies And this is the great fun assembling your own cell phones from all different parts, but it has to be a certain type of phones that has most of the parts assembled together. Otherwise, you would need a lot of little wires that you cannot find nowhere else. So DIY a cell phone actually is impossible, but in this case, with just the right part, is quite a lot of fun.